Hi guys, I'm your host DV from DV Photography, and today we're gonna take a picture of a tomato. You can see here I got a black board, and over here I got my Sony A7 Mark II with my macro lens. I got a trigger, and I'm also gonna use flash. So let's show you. I'm gonna first get the tomato. You can see here I got a tomato with a glove so it can be clean. I don't want no fingerprint. And here I am adjusting the tomato. You can see here when I'm adjusting the tomato, moving it around to see which is better. My ISO here is 50. The macro lens is 30 millimeter, f8, shutter speed 1/25 of a second. So here I put a leaf so it can make the picture more interesting. And I'm just showing you the setting where I can see, you can see it, but I'm telling you. And this is, I'm going to take a picture first to show you the ambient light is not affecting the photo. So you can see right here is totally black. How you can see in that picture is very black. You can see nothing, no detail, no light coming. So now I'm going to take now the other the camera. I also have the camera manual focus. I'm using a trigger remote control for the camera, and here I got showing you the flash that I'm using. I'm using a Neewer's flash, a TT850 with little softbox. I forgot the name of it. It's very good. It's small and you can bring it anywhere. The shutters, I'm using trigger 1/25 of a second, like I showed the speed. And here I'm going to take a picture. So I'll take the picture again, focusing. I'm turning on the flash. Here you go. You can see that I got where it can tell me where directly the flash is hitting. So here in this picture that I took, you're gonna see right now is very light is good, but if you can see towards the right, there's not that much detail there. So I want to put something, a reflector here. I got a reflector light. I'm gonna put it there, but I don't got nothing to stand it, right? So what I do is I get out my wallet, quick, something real quick and simple for people who learning. You gotta always learn to adjust your problem right away. So here I open my wallet and put it next to put the reflector next to it, and here you can see I'm adjusting and checking out in the camera that is not affecting nothing. That I want to the reflector coming in the camera, and here I come and take a photo with it, and I'm gonna show you the photo right now. And if you can see before on the right, it was no detail, nothing, was real dark. So now I fill it with a reflector, the photo. So now I'm just showing you. I'm gonna take another picture which is the same, came out to be the same. So please take your time and subscribe, leave your comment. I appreciate it. Support your small channel. I'm DV from DV Photography, DV Photo, sorry. Until next time, take care of yourself, and that will be all for today. Thank you. Enjoy the image.